So for making this necklace and this bracelet, we need a orange color yarn like this shade, and another is a light shade of yellow color. We need one crochet hook of number 11, one inch tape for measurements, one scissor and a needle. So firstly we will make our necklace, so that will be of 9 length, okay, 9 inches length. We will use the orange color yarn first. Start by making a slip knot like this, and now make chains till we will get a length of 9 inches. You need to keep in mind that the chain should not be more tight or not more loose. So like this we have done 9 inches chain. Now we will chain 2 more like this, 1 2, this will be counted as a double crochet, and now in the 4th chain we will make a double crochet like this. Now we will put 1 double crochet in every next stitch. See, like this. This pattern is really very easy. So now we will repeat the same pattern all over the row, and this will be the final result. And now we will be working on our next row. It means our second row. We will chain 2. Now just turn our project and put 1 double crochet in every next stitch like this. The chain 2 will also count as a double crochet, and in the end we will have the same number of double crochets as we have in the first row like this. Our second row is complete, and now we will be working on our third row. This will also be the same. We will chain 2 and then just turn our project and then put 1 double crochet in every next stitch like this. See, our third row is also completed now. Now we will just make 2 stitches and then just cut the extra yarn. So the base for our necklace is ready. Now we will just hide these extra pieces of yarn. If you want to learn how to hide the extra pieces of yarn left over, just watch my video. Link is given in the description box. And now we will just attach these flowers to our necklace. And if you want to learn how I made these flowers, so check out my video on YouTube. The link is given in the description box. These flowers are really very easy to make. You can make one flower in less than 5 minutes. So just start by attaching these. We need to keep in mind that the gap between the flowers should be equal. Okay, like this. Just hide the extra yarn, and now with the help of a needle we will stick it. Here we can use the glue gun also, but for the long lasting and sustainability of this necklace, I will use a needle and a thread to make it more tight. This is just wow. Similarly, we will attach the other two flowers. Hide the leftover yarn and then just stick it. The last one now. Hide the leftover yarn and stick it too. And now we will make this thread attached to our necklace so that it will help us to bind our neck with this necklace. So we will take a long thread, approximately 20 inches, or you can take 16 inches of thread. Just double it out, and now repeat this, what I am doing, like this. Just take out these pieces of yarn, and from between these just take out these 4 pieces of yarn like this. Oh yes, so it is ready now. So the thread is attached on both the sides, and now our necklace is ready. We only need to make the finishing like this on the ends of our threads. We will just make a knot to make this necklace more sustainable, like this. And now we will make the bracelet. For this I will take 4 inches length. I will use again orange color of yarn. Start by making a slip knot like this. Make a chain till we get a length of 4 inches. Here you can see it's ready now. And now we will repeat the same 3 rows as we have done earlier for the necklace, like this. And now we will attach again 2 same flowers on this bracelet part. And now we will just make them attached to our bracelet like this. And now we will attach the threads on both the corners. Here the length of the thread is smaller as compared to the necklace thread, because the bracelet needs a smaller length of yarn. So here I had taken 12 inches of yarn total length, and then we will make half of it, so it will be 6 and 6 inches. So like this we will just bind it on a hand, and like this it's ready, and it's looking so beautiful. And this is the best gift option to give someone. Wow, really very nice. So if you want to learn how to make some matching earrings for these, just check out the videos link in the description box, and see you soon in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye friends.